All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about patterns. So let's head over to our Photoshop file here. I'm going to click on the icon here and click on pattern. I'm going to hit OK, and what I want to do is bring it above the gradient effect, and then double click on it. And so when you do that, you can edit a couple things here. We can make it more smooth, add feather, contrast. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to double click on the actual effect itself. And now we can go through these, and you can see all the different patterns that you can put on these layers. I have rocks. You can also append more patterns, so like artist surfaces. Okay. Okay, now the cool thing too is if I use this, for example, and I hit OK, and then I bring the gradient right above and turn the opacity down, then we can integrate both of these together. Well, that's too much. But like if you did that, and then grab this one, and turn the opacity down on that, then you can blend all this together, which makes it look really cool. It kind of looks like a sandy beach, right? So there you go. That's how you use the pattern tool, and then you can integrate it with the other two effects that we've been talking about in the course. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back the way it was, and we'll look at one more thing here. So like I said, you have rocks. Let's look at the libraries here. Let's go to artist brushes, canvas. I'm going to pen that. Oh, and then this is one of my favorites, artists, the color paper, not artists, anything, color paper. Yeah, that's really cool. I like these because they have color, so it's easier to work with. You know, if you have something that you want to add to this, like if you want to add color on top, it's nice because it already has a color, so you can blend it from there. So, well, that's kind of cool. All right. So I'll leave it on, let's go to water. I like that one. That's cool. All right, I'll leave it there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.